हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। यू पीपल हैव टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड and understand the key concepts about the present perfect tense. So we will start the present perfect tense. The first question is that what is the present perfect tense? We will have the examples, the structure of present perfect tense. We will understand this tense properly. The present perfect tense is a verb form used to express actions that occurred at the unspecified time in the past but have relevant to the present moment. Relevance to the present moment. One thing we have to keep in mind that the things that happened in past, हम ये कह सकते हैं पास्ट में एक अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम में कुछ चीज़ें हैपन हुए हैं, वो जो है उनकी कुछ रेलेवेंसी जो है प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी है, या वो काम जो रिसेंटली डन हुआ हो उसके बाद कोई काम आपने स्टार्ट नहीं किया है उससे रिलेटेड काम, तो इन दिस वे यू विल से दैट आई हैव डन रिसेंटली, आई हैव डन right now. You can say I have done recently, I have done this work. अब ये कहा तो देखो वो काम मैं कर चुका हूँ, अभी कर चुके हैं, वो जो उसका जो रेलेवेंस है वो प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी है. सो इट इन दिस वे यू विल यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के अंदर हम दो चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं, हैज़ और हैव एज ए हेल्पिंग वर्ब, और उनके फ़ौरन बाद थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हम यूज़ करते हैं पॉजिटिव टेंसेस में. नेगेटिव में फिर नॉट के साथ, हैवंट हैजंट के साथ फिर हम यूज़ करेंगे. occurred at unspecified time in the past but have relevance to the present moment. This is done. It is performed by using the auxiliary verb have or has followed by the past participle of the main verb. This is what I have already told you that right now. It is, for example, हम यूज़ करेंगे इसमें हैज़ और हैव एज ए हेल्पिंग वर्ब, आफ्टर दैट थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक सेंटेंस बनाता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. आई हैव taught you, I have taught you present continuous tense right now or few minutes before. I can say I have taught you present perfect tense, I have taught you present continuous tense few minutes before. This is what a few minutes before just I had completed the tense, and I am talking about it right now. It means that I am using present perfect tense right in present. It was done in past in unspecified time or recently done in past, right? Okay, you will see the examples, then you will come to know about structure of present perfect tense. Affirmative, subject plus has, have plus past participle. Okay, he has finished his work. Past participle is finished. Has, one helping verb we have taken here. He is subject. He has finished. His work is object of this sentence. Okay, you can write subject plus has, have plus past participle plus object plus complement you can write. Okay. Negative, in negative, subject plus has, have plus not plus past participle. They haven't visited Paris yet. Interrogative, has, have plus subject plus past participle. This is a question. And next is example, have you seen this movie before? This is question. Okay. Use of present perfect tense. To indicate actions or events that started in the past and continue into the present. Okay, this is what present perfect tense. But you people have to keep in mind, it is a present perfect continuous tense is also like this, but this action is done, okay, done in the past, but it no any other action you have started in present. That's why you are using present perfect tense related to that action you haven't started. That's why you are using this. Present perfect continuous tense means that the action that are started in past and it still continue in present. So in this way we are using present perfect continuous, whereas present perfect tense is used when the action is done in the past and it has still relevance in the present. Example, I have lived in this city for 5 years. To express experiences or achievements without specifying when they occurred. She has visited 6 countries in the last year. Okay, you can use for the experiences to express experiences, achievements without specifying when they occurred. To talk about actions that have just happened or still relevant at the moment of speaking. This is what I was telling you. ये मैं आपको बता रहा था. Still या तो speaking में वो है या just happened में आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Example, we have just finished our meeting. So this is done present perfect tense. I hope that this is clear for you. If there is question still, you people can ask in the comment section. I will provide the right answer for you people. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.